Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo V40. Sometimes, your remote control might not work, perhaps due to a dead battery in the car or the fob itself. Don't worry, your Volvo V40 key fob contains a hidden mechanical key blade for manual access. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to get into your vehicle without relying on the electronic functions. It's a handy skill to know for unexpected situations. Now let's get that mechanical key blade out. Look closely at your key fob. You'll find a small, often recessed, release button on one of its sides. Press and hold this button down. While holding it, gently pull the metal part of the key straight out from the top of the fob. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the traditional key blade you'll use to unlock your door. With the key blade in hand, head to the driver's side door. Many modern Volvo V40 models have a hidden keyhole, often beneath a small cap on the door handle itself. You might need to gently pry off this cap to reveal the keyhole. Once visible, insert the mechanical key blade completely. Turn it firmly about 1/4 of a turn in either direction to unlock the door, then pull the handle. Congratulations, you're in. Be aware that the car's alarm might sound once you open the door, which is completely normal. To silence it, simply insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. After gaining entry, it's a good idea to investigate why your remote wasn't working. Check your car's main battery and consider replacing the small battery inside your key fob for reliable future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.